Welcome to Steve Marshall Ford. My name's Anne Marie, and I'm the owner and leader here at the dealership. Today we wanted to walk you through our COVID protocol and wish you a Happy New Year. When you come into our parts and service department, there's a table outside, and one of our amazing staff will greet you and walk you through getting you checked in. If you want to come look at a new or used vehicle, our showroom is open, so come on in and enjoy the experience. Things we've got going on right now, everybody inside is wearing a mask. We've got lots of hand sanitizer. We're all social distancing, and we clean daily. So come on in and have a safe, enjoyable experience. So when you get into the showroom, please feel free to come in. Remember to wear your mask, notice our social distancing markers, and remember, we want you to feel comfortable, so everything's sanitized and cleaned daily. One of the really exciting things about getting into a new or used vehicle is getting to see all the features and benefits. So when you get to do that with our staff will be wearing masks, and there's tons of sanitizer around the dealership so you can touch and feel everything, as well as the vehicle being sanitized inside as well. We also have electronic brochures, so in the safety and comfort of your own home, you can see all the features and benefits as well. So we're still doing test drives because part of the fun is getting in and driving and feeling your new ride. If you have a trade-in, our team will sanitize and make sure that it's safe when it's returned to you. So part of buying a vehicle is getting all that paperwork done. So when you go in to see our finance leaders, they will have masks on, lots of sanitizer, and there will be social distancing so you feel safe. And then after you take delivery with your salesperson, our salespeople will have masks on, but make sure that you understand all the exciting electronic features like Bluetooth, hands-free, all that good stuff. When you get to our service department, whether you're looking to book your vehicle in for service or looking for parts, there's a table outside, and one of our amazing team, like I mentioned before, will come and greet you and get you checked in. All our pens are sanitized, all the equipment on the table is sanitized. We'll also sanitize your vehicle before our technicians get into it. All our technicians wear masks while they work on your vehicle, and we'll sanitize it before it gets back to you. So during this crazy time, we do have our shuttles running. All our drivers wear masks, and there are plexiglass in all our shuttles. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you through our doors here at Steve Marshall Ford Lincoln soon.